Now the topic before us is deletion or removal action taken by antivirus software. When the antivirus software is certain that a file is malicious and it cannot be safely repaired or cleaned, then antivirus software will typically delete that file from the system to eliminate the threat from the system. There may be circumstances when the antivirus comes across or detects a suspicious file. The file may show some abnormal behavior but does not have definitive malware signatures, or it may have some codes which may resemble to some non-malware, but there are no definite signs that the particular file is truly malicious. Then in case of such suspicious files, the software or antivirus software may instead quarantine the file. If the file is truly malicious, the antivirus software will delete it. In case of suspicious files, the antivirus software may quarantine the file, or it may prompt the user to choose between delete, quarantine, or ignore. Ignore means allow. It may give the option to the user whether to quarantine the file, whether to delete the file, or whether to allow the file to remain on the system. The file is allowed to run and remain on its location in case of ignore or allow action, which may be taken by the user. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.